Hello guys, today we're cooking green beans on Cooking with Maddog. Now, we don't need this frying pan. We need a big frying pan because we cook giant green beans. Alright, let's hunt some green beans. Hey! Green beans! I got some green beans.
Yeah?
What?
Yeah?
Follow me or I'll kill you. So
No, I'll kill you.
I got the giant frying pan. Alright, just sit on the couch while I get prepared. I said sit on the couch!
Yeah.
Alright, let me prep my... Put some salt on it, put some cooking spray.
No, because
Alright,
it's 10
get on the pan. That's...
No.
Yo! Alright, guys. Dinner is served.